Hello everybody, it is I, Uncle Greg, aka the Free American Spirit, and today we're going to talk about this here box. This is a 3D printed box. A guy on eBay makes it. I'll put a link in the description. I don't make any money off of this particular item, but it's a really nice gadget. So what you have here is you have a plastic case that allows you to take these two screws out up here, slide your remote control down in there, okay? In order to do that, you'll first have to take the clip off of your remote control and pull the wire off, slide the wire up there, you know, put your remote control in the box, and then put the clip back on the wire. And then to put this top on, all you do is unscrew these little screws right here. You put the top on and it encases the whole detector. The whole remote control. So like I said, I'll have a link to this. Now, I'm going to pull this out with one hand. I don't know how good it'll go. Come on, baby. There you go. That little thing, you can see on the back, it's going to the right. But actually what that does, this is the right-hand edition. He sells both a left and a right. So if you're right-handed and you put this back in there, it tilts the remote control to the left a little bit so you can see it real good. If you get the left-hand edition, that thing would tilt to the left on the back, which would mean when you put it in, it would tilt the detector remote control to the right. So swinging it with your left hand, you would be able to see it easier. It's very well secured. You can still get to your headphones to plug them in if you want to use them and have watertight headphones. The speakers clearly showing. It's a really nice deal. The only thing I don't like is if you look at this, when you take your old mount off, you have to take those two little screws out, one on each side, okay? And then pop your mount out and slide this in. It would have been nice if you had drilled two little holes here, okay, to screw those screws back. But with that said, this was really a little bit on mine anyways. I don't know how, they're all individually made, handmade. So I had to file mine off a little bit to be able to wedge it in there. And I found once it kind of wedged in, oops, now it's going to fall down and not let me do it with one hand, isn't it? Just to be a pain. Okay, hang on, come on. Yep, it's not going to let there it goes. Going to let Uncle Greg do one hand. I found once it's in there anyways, it's really tight. So I didn't need those two screws. And the other portion, other than talking to Merrill at NYC Detects or whatever, get yourself one of these Merrell. It's pretty cool. It's a good way that when your wire breaks, you can skin that wire back, put a little bit of wad of tape on it about an inch from the end so that that inch of metal wire's in there, and then just put the cover on and you're good to go. So I also want to shout out to, gosh, I can't talk today, Destination Gold Metal Detectors. I'll have a link to them. I have an affiliate link with those. But those guys are the best. They got all kinds of weird things like, demo units, scratch and dents. They have, spend X amount of dollars on a detector. You get a silver coin or a gold coin. They got mystery boxes. And not only that, they're really good on their customer service. So I'll put my affiliate link to them. Yeah, I might make a small commission if you buy something, but it costs you extra nothing, zero. So I hope you enjoy them as much as I enjoy them. And in the meantime, man, come on, thumbs up, baby, subscribe, and share the video. See ya!